How to recover deleted Facebook account after 30 days. So if you want to recover your deleted Facebook account after 30 days, first open up your browser, any browser that you are comfortable with. I'll be here with Chrome browser. And once you're here on the browser, you can simply go for the search bar, tap on the search bar, and then search for Facebook support team contact. Once you've searched for Facebook support team contact, go for the Facebook help center, which is on the first, or you can simply go for help center, which is on the next, and here it will take you to this kind of page under the help center. So now you can simply click on the account settings, which is on the first option, and here you can see the questions that are asked below. So what you need to do is simply tap on no, which says was this helpful, tap on no, and then tap on other, or you can choose any specific reason that you would like. Once you choose here, you will have this kind of page where you need to simply enter the information. So what you need to enter is, hello team Facebook, I deleted my Facebook account because I wanted to take a break from it, since there was no option available to temporarily deactivate my Facebook account. I deleted it so that I could log back into my account after 29 days, but accidentally I forgot to do so, and now my account is permanently gone. So can you please help me with my account to recover it? And then you need to enter your phone number and then email address. And once you've entered every information, you can also enter your username. And once you enter your information, tap on submit. Once you've submitted, your problem will be fixed. So that's how you can recover your deleted Facebook account after 30 days. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.